Hey everybody, this is Dan. I'm the Portable Graphics Manager here at the Rogers Company, coming at you with Rogers Quick Tips. This is Volume 1. We're going to show you how to outline your fonts in Adobe Illustrator. I've got a document here open in Illustrator, and I'm just going to click on my text tool, and we're just going to type some sample text. And let's make that a little bit bigger so everybody can see it. And now, if I go up to View and I hit Outline, you'll see that these elements here are converted to outlines already. They're lines, they're not editable text, whereas our sample text down here is still clickable, editable. You can tell that it's not outlined because it's jet black. I'm going to click off of that. We're going to go back over to View and hit Preview again so we can see it normally. And then we're going to go Select All, and that's going to select everything, even the things that are already outlined. It doesn't matter. And then we are going to click on Type, and we are going to create outlines. And now if we go back over to View and click on Outline, you can see all this stuff is outlined. There's no editable text left. This is ready to be sent over to us for production. This has been Rogers Quick Tips. Thank you for watching.